Guys, I guess you're all doing okay. I guess you're all doing okay. I just feel that you're doing right, né? I hope you're cruising so nicely with this live. I guess you're doing okay, guys. I'm wishing you all the best with your examination, final examination. So we're going to do the BRS grade 11 band reconciliation statement. So nonetheless, let's just get into it, né? So here we have given the things that they are required, né? These are the things that they've required us to do, né? We have what? We have the cash payment, the cash receipts, né? And then we have to calculate the correct bank account, prepare the bank reconciliation statement, né? So you get that they gave us the previous bank reconciliation statement. This is the previous bank reconciliation statement. So on the previous bank reconciliation statement, this is the reason why I say this is the previous bank reconciliation statement, because of by preparing, they said to us that we need to prepare the bank reconciliation statement for April. So they give us for March, né? This is the previous bank reconciliation statement. We prepare for April, they gave us for March. I get after March, okay, April. Yes, so March, April. So this one is the previous, né? This one is for previous. Okay, let's read the transactions and then see what's happening, né? Let's deal with this bank reconciliation statement. The previous one, né? We're gonna start here, the previous one. We'll need to know and understand what's happening, what was not recorded, what is recorded, what is the error that took place here, né? So those kind of things. So the additional information: the outstanding deposit of 18 March 2023 appeared on the April 2023 bank statement, né? So this one might appear, né? We're going to cancel this one because of it appears on the current bank reconciliation statement. This one appear, né? Yo, my line is so ugly. So this is the transactions that we're going to cancel, né? Don't mind my line, né? Don't mind my line. When I just bear in mind, or this one, we're cancelling it, né? So it appears in the current bank reconciliation statement, so we cancel it. The deposit on 28 March 2023 appeared as 22,000. An investigation revealed that the cashier has disappeared with the outstanding amount. So let's check, né? So we're going to look for the difference, and then it was decided to write off the outstanding amount, né? Let's write off the outstanding amount. So when we write the outstanding amount, it's a bad debts, né? You know, when you write something off, it's a bad debts. We're going to bad debts, you know, it's an expense, anger. So we're going to record them on the CPJ, né? So before we go any further more, let's key in the totals, né? So the cash receipts, this is the cash receipts, 115,600. And then cash payment 217,800. Anger. Then let's look for the difference. If you say 28 March 2023, ne? These transactions, ne? They will like this BRS, ne? These transactions that are based on this previous bank reconciliation statement. So 37,200. They're talking about is what they're talking about, né? The deposit on 28 March. This is 28 March, né? This is 28 March. So they're talking about this, basically, né? They're talking about this. So 37,200 and then 22,200. So what the outstanding must be written off. So when you say 37,200 minus 22,200, must give you 15,000, né? Then we're gonna record this side. This is a bad debts on the cash payment. So we record them on the cash payment, 15,000 on the cash payment. So this is a cash receipt, it's a cash payment. Let's go more. So when we go more, it says to us that both the EFTs were on the April statement, but EFT 768, this one, 768, this one, this one, 768, this one, this one, but EFT 768 appeared with the correct amount of 4,580. So this is the correct amount. This one, this one is the correct amount. This one is the correct amount. This one, it's a correct amount, 4,580. So when we were paying on the previous bank reconciliation statement, we paid what? We paid 5,480 instead of paying what? 4,580, meaning we paid more. We paid more. We were supposed to pay 4,580 baht to Tina. We paid 5,480. So we paid more. So these people, they are owing us. They are owing us, these people. They are owing us as a business. So we'll need to record the difference in the cash receipts journal because of we paid more amount. So when you say 5,480, when you less it with 4,580, you get the difference of what? Let's calculate. 5,480 minus 4,580. You get the difference of 900. So this 900 to go into receive it because of we paid more. We paid more. So when we go down there, the failage, so both EFTs were on the April statement. Then so everything is fine. We're just gonna cancel this. We'll cancel this and then we're gonna be left with the favorable balances per bank account. So everything appears. We are done with everything here. So we're just gonna cancel everything here. We're just gonna cancel everything here. Then we're going to left with this only amount. This only amount. So let's go down and see what we are provided. The provisional totals, okay, these ones we've already entered them. We entered them. Let's see information letter C. Information on the April 2023 bank statement. None of these items appeared in the April cash journals. Okay, so the debit order, Brillet, municipality, cash handling fees, deposit, YMR Gold, deposit, Begley microloans, cash withdrawals, investment matured, EFT transactions. Okay, so the debit order to Brillet municipality was for water and electricity. This one. So the debit order, the dishonored check, the stop order, and what? And the bank charges must be recorded on the debit side. I mean on the credit side, which is cash payment. So this one, the debit order, Brillet municipality, but is what? Is for water and electricity. It's for water and electricity. So let's go. Water and electricity. This one. So water for electricity. 2,880. So water for electricity. Water and electricity is an expense. Then let's go down and see again what we have. YMR Gold, the tenant deposited the monthly rent. So the monthly rent, the tenant deposit Marigold, 8,400. So this is our tenant. So you know what our tenant is about. It's a rent income. So this is the rent income. So this is the rent income. Monthly rent is 8,400. I'm gonna record it here. 8,400. And then when we go more, let's see the transactions that are given. The transactions that are given, I said the deposit from Bentley microloans did not relate to the business. The bank was informed of this error. So the mistake that was made in the bank statement will be corrected in the bank reconciliation statement. The mistakes that made in the journals will be recorded in the journals. Ne? So now this is the error that was made by the bank. We're going to record it, or we're going to fix this in the bank reconciliation statement. Ne? So when we go to bank reconciliation statement, we'll key in this transaction. Ne? This one, we'll key in it. So hence I wrote BRS there. And then the cash withdrawals for 740 was for fuel for owners vehicles, ne? For owners vehicle. So this is the personal use. Now this is the drawings. So 740, where are you? 740, this is 740. It must be in the cash payment journal, ne? So we are done with this one. I'm going to cancel it. We are done with this one. I'm going to cancel it. We are done with this one. I'm going to cancel it. And then yes, let's see what more we have on the transactions. The EFT transaction fees were duplicated on the bank statement in the in error. So where is it? The EFT transaction fees, okay? Transaction fees, this is the transaction fees. They were duplicated, ne? Meaning it was recorded twice. You can see that they were duplicated, ne? With two amounts here, ne? You can see it was duplicated. We have two amounts here. This is the two amounts here. Ne? We have two amounts here. We shouldn't have two amounts. So one of them must be recorded in the CPJ as 360. And then we are done with it. Let's just cancel it. And then we are left with what? With investment matured 18,300. We are left with 220. So this is the cash handling fees. This is one of the bank bank charges, ne? So we're going to record them on the credit side. 220, ne? So we are done with it. As also cancel it, cancel. And then we are left with what? The Bentley microloans. This one here could BRS, ne? Here could BRS. This one here could BRS. This one here could BRS, ne? This one goes to the BRS. This one goes to the BRS. Here could BRS. The 62,000 that I'm talking about, here could BRS, ne? This one goes to BRS. So when we move on to this one goes to the BRS, don't forget, ne? This one goes to the BRS, don't forget. It goes to the BRS. So what we are left with, is 18,300. So this is investment matured, ne? 8,300 must be recorded in the CRJ, 18,300. Then we're gonna get our totals. Ne? I think we are done. Let me cancel it. So even this one must go to the BRS, ne? This one must also go to the BRS. So must go to BRSs also. So I think we are done, eh? I think we are done with the cash receipts journal and the cash payment journal. I think we are done. So we are done. Let me cancel this. So this one is also going to be on the BRS. So let me cancel. Ne? So but this one, these 2 points, ne? I'm not cancelling them. I'm going to record them on the cash, on the bank reconciliation statement. So let's key in totals. So this side, let's see what we have. We have 217,800 plus 15,000 plus 2,880 plus 740 plus 360 plus 220. It gives us 237,000, ne? 237,000. And then let's key this side. We have 115,600 plus 900 plus 8,400 plus 18,300. We have 143,200. So this is what we have. So let's go to the bank account. bank account, né? Let's key in a bank account. So let's go and see what is our bank. Is it a negative or is it positive? So remember I said to you that we have this one, but the whole amounts they've been cancelled, but we are left with the favorable balance as per bank account. So you know the favorable is what? It's a positive amount, né? So it's 720, and then you're gonna add your cash receipts 143,200. You're gonna less your cash payment 237,000. Then they must give you an amount. Let's see. 449,720 plus 143,200 minus 237,000. You get a negative of 44,080. No? So let's go to BRS. BRS, we have debit, we have credit. No? So this is our BRS. This is our BRS. You know, we're gonna start with the what? Balance. Balance as per bank statement, ne? I think it's not given, this one. Let's go and okay, bank the bank statement is not given, ne? It's not given. It's not given. This is a question mark. It's not given, ne? Okay. So let's see this one's name. Information E. The cash channels reflected on the following entries that did not appear on the April bank statement. So if the transactions they don't appear in the bank statement but appears in the journals, we're going to record them in the bank reconciliation statement. I repeat, if the transactions they are recorded in the journals but not in the bank statement, they'll be recorded in the bank reconciliation statement. If the transactions are recorded in the journals but if the transactions are recorded in the bank statement but they are not recorded in the journals, we're going to record them in the cash journals, ne? I repeat, if the transactions are recorded in the bank statement but not in the journals, we're going to record them in the journals. So these ones, they are recorded in the journals but they are not recorded in the bank statement. We're going to record them where? In the bank reconciliation. So the deposit 22,500, this is outstanding deposit. Start with it. Outstanding deposit. Outstanding deposit of how much? 22,500, ne? And then when you go more, it says EFT 883 for 9,520 for stationery, EFT 884. So this is outstanding EFTs, ne? EFTs, we have what? We have 883, we have 884. So we have we have what? We have 9,520 and 12,000, ne? These two, 1, 2, ne? We have 9,520, we have 12,530, excuse, 5,530, ne? Okay, so don't forget these two transactions that I've mentioned, ne? The deposit from Bankley microloans did not relate with the business, ne? The bank was informed in this error, I mean to say. So we'll need to take this one out, ne? So this is the Bentley microloans that I was talking about. As I've said, this is the BRS. We're going to record in the BRS 65,000, ne? So this is 65,000. So this is minus, this is plus, ne? So we're going to take this out, ne? We're going to take this out. So let's see, what can we write here? What can we write? The deposit from the Bentley microloans did not relate with the, okay, bank was B roof. Okay, let's say amount wrongly debited, ne? Let's say amount wrongly recorded. Credited and debited, I feel I will confuse you. So we're going to take out this amount, ne? 65,000 plus 65,000, right? It was 65,000. So we take this amount off, or we take it out, because of it does not relate with our what? With our bank, ne? So the deposit from the Bentley microloans did not relate to the business, ne? Bentley microloans. Let's see our let's see our what? Let's see our what I'm looking for, Punch. I want to know the link of the bank. I don't see it. Okay, but let's move on. I didn't see it. So another one, it was this one, but it was duplicated, ne? This one, they say it was duplicated. EFT transaction fees. You can see there's a duplication here, ne? This is a duplication. 360 shouldn't be like this, ne? So they recorded amount twice, ne? They recorded amount twice. We can write what? Amount duplicated. Here on details, you can write anything you want, ne? As long as they're in a correlation, as long as they correspond, as long as they make sense, ne? So we're gonna take off the amount. We're gonna take it on the credit side, ne? The reason why we record on the credit side, this is 360, ne? So the reason why we record on the credit side, so we are done with this one, cancel, and then we are done with this one, cancel. So the reason why we record this amount on the debits on the credit side, ne, is because of it was recorded on the debit side twice, ne? So 360. So when you say 360 multiplied by 2, ne? When you say 360 multiplied by 2, it gives you 720. So they recorded 720 instead of recording what? 360. So we're going to record this 360 on the credit side. We're going to add it. Agar kamaki add, kamaki minus. So banaba minus jewagai 720. Ne? Banaba minus jewagai 720. They duplicated. Ne? 720 again. Bafa barakodile 360 habiti. So renar sunzor dring recorded 360 on the credit side. Because banaba drilling by recordile 2 times. Ne? So when they recorded it 2 times, they were supposed to record it once, ne? So we're gonna take it or come 720 come. 720 again. When you say 720 minus 360, it's going to give you 360. So that's how it was supposed to be. So the amount was duplicated, and then we add one of it, 360J2. Barakodile 360J2. So I calculated 360J2. It was not supposed to be like that. So this is the reason why we add this other one. Ne? We add it. So meaning what about twice. Ne? When we pay our fees, we pay them twice. Ne? So when we pay them twice, they refund us 360. So that is why we record it here. So it's just like that. When I can, if I say I elaborate it further. So we have 360. What is left is the balance. So we're gonna have the balances per bank account. So our balance as per bank account The balances per bank account we know already is negative 44,080 ne 44,080 negative 44,080, so it must be on the credit side ne? So it'd be the opposite. See, it's a negative, right? It's be the negative of the opposite of negative is what? Is positive. So you record it here. It's 44,080 ne? And then if it was positive, if it was like this, 44,080, so this is a positive, so it's going to be a opposite sign ne? It's going to be the opposite sign. If it's 44,080 like this and it is positive, it's going to be recorded on the negative. Take what? The opposite sign. So you're gonna get what? You're gonna get your total ne? You're gonna get your total. You're gonna say this one, which one is bigger than the other here? Let's see. If you say 22,500 plus 360 plus 44,080, you get 66,000. So this side is bigger ne? This one is bigger, so this one is bigger. 12,530 plus 65,000 plus 9,520, you get, I made a mistake here. You're humans, guys, no one is flawless ne? So here is 87,050, and then you're gonna less 22,500, you less 44,080, you less 360, and then you're going to get how much? It's 20,000 eh? Balances per bank statement is 20,110.